Hi, boys and girls. We are going to talk about your new sight words for this week. So let me go ahead and draw this bigger. All right. So our first word right here is carry. Okay. Whenever we see this word carry, we see the C up front. So we know it's going to make the K sound. Now, right here in the middle, it's almost going to sound like whenever you're talking about the air, like the air you breathe in, it's going to make that sound. So K, air, and then this Y is going to say E. So we know that Y can say ya, but in certain words, it's going to say E. So this word carry, repeat after me, carry. Good. This word means if you're carrying something, you have things in your arms and you're moving them from one place to another. For example, my daughter Stella, who will be 2 in just a couple weeks, she loves for me to carry her down the steps because they're very steep. So again, let's repeat this word, carry. Awesome. Okay, our next word. This next word, we see the D and the R, so we say dr. We know that that's an R blend right there. And then this A and W are going to work together to say all. Like sometimes if you see a newborn baby, you might say, oh, it's so cute. We've seen AW in our sight word saw, which is when you've seen something, you may say that you saw it. So here, when I take all of my letter sounds and I blend them together, it's going to say draw. So whenever you draw something, you take a pen or a marker or a crayon, and it's when you do artwork. So you draw something on your paper. So repeat after me, draw. Awesome. Okay, now this next word is actually a number word. We've had a few number words this year, and this number is 8. So if I were to count, let me show you 8 fingers. It also sounds exactly the same as whenever you say that you ate your lunch. They sound exactly the same. We call those homophones. So here, it's almost going to sound like it's saying the letter A and then T, 8. All right, now this next word. This word is even. So repeat after me, even. Awesome. Now, if something's even, we say that it's either flat or we can say that it's equal. So this first letter, we see the E, it's actually going to say its name. So it's going to be that long E sound. E, and then V, N. This is going to be short E. Even. Now, my first name is actually Vanessa. And when you spell it, it's actually Venessa. So when I say my first name, I say Ven, and it's spelled exactly, Vanessa. It's spelled exactly as you see it right here. So even, which means that something's equal. Okay, now our next word, we have had the word go, which is spelled G-O. Now, if I were to cover up that ES, I see the word go. This E is not going to say anything. You're going to hear that S. So this word is goes, like she goes to the store often. So repeat after me, goes. Awesome. Okay, now this word means that you can do something, or it can also be the name of a month. However, when it's the name of a month, we have to capitalize it. This word is May. It's actually my birthday month. I was born in May. But like I said, when you're talking about the month, you have to capitalize it. Here, it's not capitalized. But we know the letter M makes the sound. And we've talked in the past about how when you see A-Y, it can make the long A sound. It's going to say A, like the letter A's name. So, A, May. We've had the word say in the past, and the only thing you would do here is just change the M to an S, and it becomes the word say. Okay, now,